Welcome to this session on number theory. This session is being brought to you by Pathfinder Education Services. In this session, we'll see how to calculate the last two digits of a given expansion. For example, you have a number like 12 to the power of 114 and we have to find the last two digits of this number. The session is divided into four parts. In the first part, we will see how to calculate the last two digits when the unit digit is 5. In the next part, we will calculate the last two digits of a number where the unit digit is 1. Then we will see how to calculate the last two digits when the unit digit of the number is an odd number, that is neither 5 nor 1. So it might be one of the other odd numbers 3, 7 and 9. And finally we will calculate the last two digits when the unit digit of the number is an even number. So calculation of the last two digits of a number when the unit digit is 5. So let there be a number whose unit digit is 5 and the tens digit is x, something like this, x5. In this digit, now if x is even, that is the tens digit is even, then irrespective of the power you raise the number x5 to, the last two digits will always be 25. So if x is even like 2, 4, 6 or even 0, then the last two digits will always be 25. If, for example, 25 square, now this 2 is even, so we get 25 as the last two digits. 25 cube is 15625. 25 to the power of 4 is 390625. In each of these cases, we see that the digit preceding 5 is an even number, and no matter what power you raise it to, the last two digits will always be 25. Next, let us look at a case where the units digit is 5 and the tens digit is x and x is odd. If x is odd, then the last two digits of any power of x5 will be 25 if the power is even, and if x is odd, then the last two digits will always be 75 if the power is odd. For example, 35 square, now 3 is an odd number which precedes 5 and 2 is an even power, and if the power is even, we expect the last two digits to be 25. So yeah, that's right. So 35 square is 4025. Similarly, 35 cube, we have the last unit digit as 5, the preceding digit as 3, and the power 3 is odd. If power is odd, we expect the last two digits to be 75, and yes, we do see these digits as 75. Similarly, 35 to the power of 4, the power is even, we expect the last two digits to be 25. What are the last two digits of a number 775 to the power of 1231? The first thing we notice is that the last digit is 5, the preceding digit is odd, and we expect that if the power is also odd, then the last two digits must be 75. So what are the last two digits of the number 765 to the power of 142? Now we can see that the unit digit is 5, the preceding digit is even, so irrespective of this power, the last two digits will always be 25. So it's a very simple method by which you can calculate the last two digits. With this, we come to an end of this part of the session on calculation of last two digits. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mend Your Maths. If you have any suggestions or feedback, please feel free to mail to us at info@pfindia.com. Thank you very much.